Hi there, friend. It's Get Familiar here, and today we're doing something really different. Are you a content creator? Do you make documentary content, and do you have to source your videos from YouTube without getting copyright claim? Hey, I found a solution to all of that. And trust me, believe me, I had to go through the struggle so you wouldn't. Watch this video to the end to find out how I got rid of all of these copyright claims from my YouTube video so I can later monetize the video. You see, restrictions, none. Amazing, right? All right, let's get into it. While I was creating this content, I was gathering a lot of videos from YouTube, sourcing a lot of content from the internet, and how content ID is now, a lot of copyright claims, a lot of copyright strikes, and then boom, when I got done with it, I came on YouTube, posted it, and then I got this copyright claim, and this particular one wouldn't allow my video to be seen, guys. You see, that's brutal, really brutal. Let me go into the details, show you how many copyright claims I had. I mean, I got most of these videos from YouTube, right? But still, the claims just didn't allow me post the content, because I couldn't have done something this amazing and then, just not monetize it later. I don't know if you get me. You understand? So in this video, I'm just about to show you how I finally and eventually got rid of the copyright claims the right way, doing it the right way. And I found a solution for this. So if you're a content creator as well, like myself, because I mostly do documentaries and all of that. So if you're a content creator and you source videos from YouTube, and you want to avoid copyright claims on your video, this is the video for you. So follow me while I take you down. I've been talking too much shit. Let's just get to work. Okay, guys, so here's the project I was working on, right? And imagine, after months and months and months of editing this masterpiece of a documentary, I went ahead to export this video. I was so happy, to have completed the video. It's time to post it for my people to see, to watch and enjoy. And then boom, after this video uploaded and I saw that message, copyright protected content found, I'm like, okay, let me just check it out first. Let's see if it's not that bad. Psych. It was that bad, guys. Like, I had over 5 copyright claims. I think 9 in total. Yeah, I think it was 9 in total. And this particular one, where Davido received this BET award in 2018, the video wouldn't be seen. Imagine, guys, that's like a heavy, very heavy copyright claim. And it's okay because it's intellectual property and that's totally fine, But, big shout out to the YouTube content ID algorithm or whatever that makes it happen, because now they even detect videos. Like, there's like copyright claims on videos, not only audios. It's pretty amazing. So after I saw these guys, I was quite disappointed, because after a lot of work for the past couple months, and then coming to see this on YouTube, was quite disappointing. But hey, I needed to find a solution, because that's how I'm always oriented, solution minded, right? So I had to go back to the drawing board. I had to go back to my editing software, and I used CapCut in this case. And then I took note of where those copyrights are in the video, right? I took note of the timestamps, of the copyright, and then I had to go back to my editing software, like I said. And one thing I first did, I picked one of the sections of the video that had the copyrights, right? And then I added some sort of frame on it, added an effect, right? Let me just show you what I did. All right, so this is like one of the frames. Okay, So this is like one of the videos that had the copyright flag, right? What I tried firstly was trying to tweak the video a little bit, because initially I never added any effect on the video, or maybe colored it, or maybe just tweak it a little bit to be different. I tried to do that and then added this frame on it. I'm trying to show you what the video was like before. It was playing like this before. After I added this frame on it and then I exported the video, right? And then I went back to upload the video, right? I did that for all the parts where the copyright claim was active, right? I did that for all the videos that got the copyright claim. I added the frame on it. I added just that frame on it just to make it different, to give it that different look, right? Because I really do not know how the YouTube content ID thing works, the copyright scanner or whatever. I don't know how it works. Maybe it scans like the four corners of the video, or maybe like the frames, like it's so crazy. But yeah, that was what I did. I just tweaked the video a little bit. I just added this frame to it to make it different a little bit. And then after I did that for all the videos. I did that for all the videos that had the copyright claim, like 9 videos, guys, 9 videos. So I came back and I re-uploaded the video, right? But then I noticed that the duration of the video I used was still getting that copyright flag, right? So I had to go back to my editing software again, and then I had to start reducing the length of the videos that had the copyright claim. For instance, now this BET Awards video of Davido receiving his award, I had to reduce it to less than 10 seconds, guys, while putting the frame on it. That's what makes the difference. Tweaking the video a little bit and using it less than 10 seconds, because initially I had used like 40 seconds of that video, and then it was getting the copyright claim. It was even the strongest copyright claim. So yeah, I used the frame and then I used the video for less than 10 seconds, and then I exported again, and then went back to upload, and then I realized that it actually worked. The frame, adding the effect, and then using those copyright videos for less than 10 seconds, guys. It actually worked. But this was like the 3rd time of me trying, right? I still got one copyright claim, but it was for just one of the videos, guys. I mean, that's progress at this point. That was, massive progress. And for this particular video, what I just did is, because, I did the same solution, right? I added the effect, I added the frame, I added some sort of overlay on it, and it still didn't work. So for this one, I just had to get another video, man, because it was looking like a very, very stubborn copyright claim on this particular video, right? So I just had to look for a different video entirely of Davido and Chris Brown performing. Let me see if I can get that frame for you guys. So I think it's somewhere around here. Okay, yeah, this is it. This was the video that was getting the copyright claim, but in this place now, I used it for only 2 seconds, 1 to 2 seconds. If you use a video for like 1 to 2 seconds, I don't think it's gonna get any copyright claim at all, because that's like a very, very short duration. But if you want to use it for longer, like 8 to 9 seconds, I would recommend 9 seconds. You would have to tweak it a little bit, add some frame and stuff. Yeah, so I was just putting videos in between just to make sure that I don't get the copyright claim again. And then I exported again, and then I came back to upload for like the millionth time, and then boom, none. See, No copyright claim, guys. So trust me, believe me, it works. It works. If you're a content creator like me that edits documentaries, and then you have to like source your videos from YouTube, and if you want to avoid copyright claim, those are the two things you gotta do. Those are the two things you gotta do. If you don't want to get this kind of restriction from YouTube where no one will be able to watch your video, which I feel is too brutal, man. But yeah, if you don't want that to happen, try to tweak your videos a little bit, you know, add effects on it, add frames on it, and then yeah, use it for less than 10 seconds. Use it for less than 10 seconds. 9 seconds works for me. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you. By the time I made this video, my video was not live yet, but it's live now. So please check it out. Let me know what you think on that video. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I hope you found this really helpful, and I'm happy to share this with you as well. And yeah, keep creating, guys. Keep creating amazing stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. I don't know if you're gonna be seeing more videos like this, but hey, who knows? All right, guys. Cheers.